Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change that sale option and basically to show that it's discounted item, so that it wouldn't show a sale but it would show a percentage of your discount. So to do this you will of course need to use coding, but it's really simple. So first of all, you want to go ahead to your store, and on your online store themes right there, you want to find your theme and click on those three dots, and you want to edit code. Now here you want to find product card, this one, and here you want to find let's basically click Command F to find what we need. Now we need to find sale, and this is the one. This is the code we will want to replace. So to change the code, you want to go to paste bin and copy this code. This is what we will need to use basically, and replace this one. So first of all, you of course want to delete this one and maybe save it for the next time. So I'm just gonna go ahead, paste that code, and I'm just gonna copy this one and delete it. Now when we done that, you're gonna save it and go ahead to preview the store. As you can see, it's 25% off. Sadly, it shows that only when we are on the main page, so we will probably need to edit this section too separately, but that's how you do this. Oh, here it is. This is the code again, the same one, and we will need to change it too. So yeah, guys, that's how you add the percentage instead of a sale. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and we'll see you next time. Bye.